to troubleshoot Credit.com installment loans. Follow these steps. First, review your loan agreement to understand the terms and conditions. Check your loan amount, interest rate, repayment term, and payment schedule. Verify your loan status by logging into your Credit.com account or contacting customer service. Next, identify the issue you are experiencing. Common problems include missed payments, payment processing errors, or changes in loan terms. If you have missed a payment, check your payment history to see when the payment was due and the amount owed. Contact Credit.com to discuss possible options for catching up on payments. If you are experiencing payment processing errors, check your bank account to ensure there are sufficient funds for the payment. Also, verify that your payment method is up to date and correct. You can update your payment method by logging into your Credit.com account or contacting customer service. To avoid future issues, set up payment reminders or automatic payments. This will help you stay on track with your payments and avoid late fees. Additionally, monitor your credit report to ensure your loan is being reported correctly. You can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Finally, if you are having trouble making payments, consider seeking assistance from a credit counselor or financial advisor. They can help you create a budget and develop a plan to pay off your loan. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot common issues with Credit.com installment loans and get back on track with your payments. Remember to always review your loan agreement and communicate with Credit.com to resolve any issues promptly.